So this is the most important pre-lunch event which we are going to do, and that concerns Professor Samiran Nundy, surgeon, scholar and a reformer, and we are very honored to have him among us today. We are here to honor him for his lifetime legacy of mentorship, integrity and scholar excellence. He did his medical undergraduate training in Cambridge and Guy's Hospital, London. You know that they are very, very eminent and very prestigious institutions in the world. Further training in medicine and surgery at the Guy's Hospital, London, and Addenbrooke's, Cambridge, and then Hammersmith Hospital, London, and then he went on to Boston in Massachusetts General Hospital, which is the premier institution of the Harvard system. He taught at the universities of Cambridge, London, and Harvard, returned to All India Institute of Medical Sciences, New Delhi in 1975, became professor and head of the department of gastrointestinal surgery, left AIIMS in 1996 to establish the Department of Surgical Gastroenterology and Liver Transplantation at Sir Ganga Ram Hospital, New Delhi. He was always involved with the clinical and research expertise in surgical management of liver, bowel and pancreatic diseases. He has published more than 429 research papers and 55 medical books, co-drafted the Transplantation of Human Organ Act of 1995 and that landmark legislation on brain death and organ donation. So you know that now selling the kidney, which I was thinking of, is illegal, my own kidney. Advocated for quality medical research and integrity in publishing and ethical practice. He is the founding editor of the National Medical Journal of India, Tropical Gastroenterology, Indian Journal of Medical Ethics, Current Medicine Research and Practice, served on 24 international editorial boards, including BMJ, co-chair of BMJ South Asia Editorial Board. He has been awarded Padam Shri by the Government of India for his contribution to medical education in this country in 1985. Emeritus Consultant and Trustee of Sir Ganga Ram Hospital, advisor to the Government of Meghalaya on health issues. He is President of the AIIMS Rishikesh or Vice Chancellor, President, Spastic Society of India, and with that, it is my great honor to invite him on stage. We will be honoring him with the shawl first and then the plaque. May I invite Dr. Nundy to kindly come to the stage. May I invite all the VIPs in the sofa to kindly come and participate in honoring him with the shawl of honor. Please join me. Nalini and Kripa, please join. Pratesh. Huh? We are honoring him right here. May I have the shawl, please? So, I think there are two ladies here. Come this side. Nalini, come on the other side. And go behind and honor him. Can I So the scientific scholar and the conference, on everybody's behalf, we are honored to offer him the plaque. And the citation reads, Editorial Workshop on Medical Publishing Ethics, New Delhi, September 20, 2025, proudly honors Professor Samiran Nundy, honoring a lifetime legacy of mentorship, integrity, and scholarly excellence. Thank you, sir, for all your contributions. Rakesh, can we have the pen, the gift pen? I think so. Everybody, please come and hold. Come. Please lend your hand. Bakri sir, come here. Sir, aap आइए. So we, as an editor, I'm sure he loves writing. So we are very honored to get a personalized pen with his name engraved from the Schaeffer, which is an American company, but owned by an Indian company. That's the advancement, and I hope he will enjoy this. Thank you, sir.
Thank you very much.
Put this in the bag, looking for you. Flowers. Hold on. So, as usual, I think I am creating a lot of goof-ups today. And one of the big goof-up I have created is that Dr. Nundy's son and grandson, could you kindly stand up, please, so that people can know who you are? And if you can join us here, please come. So they thank you for coming, and I apologize for my goof-up. Thank you. Thank you, sir. तुम्हारी रिक्वायरमेंट बहुत है. हाँ. He wants everybody to bow to him, sir. I did call them, ma'am.
Please. You don't deserve anything. You deserve because of your father.
Shall be so please come and enjoy the lunch. Oh, okay, come, please.
She said she yelled at us so much.
So I'm so happy she yelled at me. Please.
She yelled at us, she must be important. So I said she also comes.
She is important. Please come. Oh, flower. आइए ना, आप इधर आइए सर, प्लीज इधर आइए. When you have come, please come here. सर आप आइए ना. आप आइए. हाँ? Sir, again one more time for the photo.